If you want to change the font of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Display. Under the Display settings, just scroll down and tap on Font Size and Style. Tap on Font Style, and from here you can change the font of your tablet. Now if you want to download a custom font, just tap on Download Fonts, and you will open the Galaxy Store. And from here just download the font which you like. For an example, I will select this font. Now as you can see, it is downloading. Just wait for a few seconds. Then just tap on it. And from here just select Apply. Now as you can see, there are more fonts over here. Just select the font which you want to download and download it on your tablet. And after you do that, you will change the font on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Just like that. And this is how you can change the font of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.